All right, Module 4 and final exam. You're on the home stretch here, so I'm just going to give a quick overview and short assignments, but you know the drill. So, health across the lifespan, we're looking at both Erickson and Piaget's um, theories in accordance to whichever lifespan category that we're looking at: mother, infant, toddler, child, adolescent, young adult, middle aged, and older, and really kind of prioritizing what is most important for that particular age group. Your PowerPoint does a really nice job. There are some speaker notes that give great indicators as to what is really, really important. So don't miss that. Take a close look. So really, it is kind of pulling it all together, looking at nutrition, exercise, healthy lifestyle, everything that you learn throughout the semester, and you're applying it across the lifespan. Few assignments. We will work on the service learning project, and there is the paper that is due after that project is done, and that will be posted according to whichever the semester or the project is focusing on. There is a discussion question. It's a fun, easy one. You just need to find a YouTube video that correlates with one of those stages of development. It can be a small clip. Some of those YouTube videos are long, so you can say go to the 4 minute, but then explain it and relate. Why does it correlate with that particular stage of development? And then ask your classmates some questions and get some discussion going. So this is a really easy, light one to do. And then there is an across the lifespan group project. Excellent instructions in the course. You can self-select your groups, so please do your due diligence there and don't leave anyone out. Should be only 4 groups for the class, and you can post your group selection in the thread provided under discussions. Last but not least, we've got that final exam details. Everything is in the course that you could possibly need. Under ATI, there is a cumulative practice test, and it's under practice assessments in ATI. There's a 48-hour lockout on that, and there is a guide to let you know. Most students do very well on that, but no, there is a 48-hour lockout on that, so get working early on it and you'll get full credit. There is a final exam in ExamSoft with the exact same features as in your midterm exam. There's a different password and login, but all of the information you need is in D2L. So happy work. Great job this semester, guys.